Father's Day gift. Meron tayo dito. Ititreat natin yung papa nila, be, sa kainan. Nalagising na si David. Bibigay natin to 2025. Cards yung girls. Yan. 4 cards. Kasi may cards yung girls. Pinagawa ko kagabi sa kanila. Ay,
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day! Sana. Hi! Good morning! Wow, ang ganda, be, oh. Let's eat. It's masarap siya, be.
Definitely seafood. Let's try the club now. Yeah, I like it. Try mine.
Try my tiramisu.
Why does it look like this?
So eat too. Oh, baby. You will eat too. See,
Yeah.
when I make my coffee, it has cream, right? And
Daddy's coffee is like it's so bitter. Daddy's coffee.
dark coffee is bitter. Hi, David. Hi, baby.
Crazy.
Baby. Oh, wait na. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Hi, meal. The baby is eating. Hindi pa tayo makakain,
That's a
babe.
witch dessert.
Kain muna. We love you. Thank you for watching. Ganyan.
Set this up.
Uy, ayun ang mga
We
freebie.
just grab some fruit at the commissary.
Mga freebie. Okay, so that's it.
Sugar.
Ay, sorry.
Sugar.
Where's Ate? Come on. We have a video with you. We didn't go grocery shopping because David was super crying. Hannah, come here. Hannah. Thank you for subscribing. She's so happy. It's already more than 1,000. Are you happy?
Wait, it is?
Yeah. It's 1,044. Thanks them. Thank you, beautiful friends. 1,040. She's happy. She's very happy when it became 1,000.
Over 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you, beautiful friends. We love you. Okay, nandito na tayo sa bahay. We weren't able to go grocery shopping, babe, because he was crying, you know. Umiyak siya. Oh, yeah. We love you. Kunin na natin siya. Dali natin sa living room. We'll feed him more milk. Are you a bear today? Look at that bear. Come on, let's have a picture. Ate's here. We love you. He's a bear, beautiful friends.
Look at him. I'm so very.
He's a bear. He loves nature and outside. I have a video with
A
Ate.
little zipper.
It's okay. Hi! She's with her sisters. With sisters. You're a little bear. Why are you there?
You little bear. You little bear. You little bear.
No palo. She's so cute bear. We love you.
Gigigil.
Ang cute no be. Ang sarap yakapin.
Gigigil.
Okay. Nature. This is the crib of baby David be. He's going to use this one. He's like 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year old. Project. Ayan be, iniwan na nila kasi they're going to move house. And ang dami doon. Ayan nakita niyo yung nasa kabila ng puno, yung para may white. So we're going to put this. Sayang kasi bago pa. Yan, nilagay nila dito be. Design lang. Ayusin ko na lang. Good tayo, brother. Yan, lagay ng toys. Binigay ng kapitbahay be. Uy, ang ganda, ang laki. Hi, thank you. Maganda siya, no?
There's a spider in it.
Sana red, pero okay na to.
There's a spider in it.
We can put your toys on it to organize.
Just not with the spider.
Pero kapag kunyari ganyan, tapos paglilipat ka rin be, dito na natin iiwan yung gamit. We'll leave it there. Pagka super, kasi yung iba may weight limit for US. So hindi mo madadala all of it. Look at that tomato. It's now grown up. Look, see how big it is. It used to be just small.
They're gonna be
Like
Mommy, can we make fairy houses?
4-inch yata.
Can we make fairy houses?
Yeah, let's try. I have a bit, picture. Let's just copy. Let's fix this.
Beautiful friends will make a fairy house.
Okay,
The glue is dripping.
let's try. Hannah would like to make fairy house. Nakuha namin to videoan sa palipat na nakapitbahay. Kasi sayang naman, 'di ba? Nandiyan lang bago kuhain ng ano. They have this colorful at saka this one. So, and let's make a cute fairy house. Kasi marami silang gamit ba na hindi na nila madadala. They cannot bring this anymore. That's why they are just deducting it to their items. But the other items, it's already moved sa America ba, sa box, naka-box na. Paglipat sa US, baka ganun din yung gawin ko. Dito ko ilalagay yung, kasi hindi, para hindi malayo, malapit lang. Mga boxes siguro, no? Yan. Hi, is it trees? Beautiful, right? Enjoy the nature. He's a bear today. Isn't it so cute, beautiful friends? You wanna kiss his cheeks? Oh, so cute, baby. That's a background. So cute trees too. He's enjoying the nature. We love you. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Let's stay strong and be happy. We love you.